happens to us when we travel. Summer's coming up. We're thinking about traveling.
It's the travel season, of course.
And we've all heard about traveler's diarrhea.
Yeah.
But how about vacation constipation? We don't hear much about that.
I told you he would make this fun.
There's several things that happen when we travel. We get dehydrated, we don't drink enough water. Imagine the same thing happening in your colon. It's taking a stool, drying it out.
It happens to your whole body, of course.
Exactly. So drinking water is key. We drink more alcohol, we're out sightseeing, we're on the beach, we're not drinking enough water.
You're dehydrating constantly.
Exactly. Right. Number two, we don't have access sometimes to fresh fruits and vegetables. So our fiber intake will plummet. Right. On vacation. That causes constipation issues as well.
Plus, people eat their cheat foods more. They eat less healthy diets sometimes when they travel.
Exactly.
Right.
And then finally, jet lag, right? So we talked about the cues for having a bowel movement in the morning. Well, what happens if you're in a different time zone?
Right.
And you're getting up and sleeping at the wrong time? So all these things are going to cause issues with constipation.
Right, right.
So when I travel, there's three things I always make sure I have. Number one is a bottle of water. Number two is some high-fiber, non-perishable snacks.
Treats, right.
So dried fruits, nuts, or a fiber bar are going to go a long way to helping to correct that balance.
Tip too.
And probiotics, we've talked a lot about probiotics on this show, but particularly with travel, it's important because let's face it, we're not going to be able to eat.
Keep the balance right in your body.
Exactly. So it keeps you regular. And the added benefit of probiotics is that it actually can prevent traveler's diarrhea as well. So it's really good for the entire gut.
It's good either direction.
Either direction.